Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make sour turmeric drink. Sour turmeric drink is a nutritious traditional drink from Central Java, which is useful for prevent infection, relieve inflammation, provide anti-cancer effect because it is rich in antioxidants, maintain the health of the digestive tract, and helps lower bad cholesterol. The ingredients are 100 grams of turmeric, about 7 or 8 turmeric, 1 teaspoon of tamarind, or 3 until 5 fresh tamarind, or according to taste, 100 grams of brown sugar, or according to taste, 1,200 milliliters of water. So let's start! First, wash the turmeric and then blend until it's smooth. Use about 200 milliliters of water. Strain the turmeric and squeeze it by adding the remaining 1,000 milliliters of water into the pot. Boil it while adding brown sugar that has been cut into pieces and the sour. Boil it until it's boiling and turn off the stove. Let it stand until it's slightly cool, then strain into a glass. It's actually pretty good. I taste the sour taste from the tamarind and the sweet taste from the brown sugar. So, thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye. See you. Hope you enjoyed the sour turmeric drink.